morning. It is the first full day of us in our new apartment, and because the mattress didn't arrive yesterday, we had to sleep on the floor down there. So it was a bit rough. My back kind of hurts. But today we maybe will receive the mattress. So we're gonna set up the bed because we have the bed frame. We ordered it from an online retailer called Dusk. Hadn't heard of it before, but they have these really nice Ottoman beds with like a crushed velvet, and we got it in this rust orange color where the headboard is quite high. It was quite affordable, and a lot of the reviews said that it looked premium. So I'm really hoping that's the case. And then potentially whenever the mattress arrives, we can start setting that up and letting that inflate. We got the mattress from Emma Mattress, and we are an affiliate partner of theirs. So I'll leave a link for the mattress that we got, because we got like a memory foam, premium core, king size. And if you use that link and purchase your own mattress, we will earn a small commission. And that would be nice for us as our first affiliate partner. So yeah, today we're just going to be making the space more our own. As you can see, we already set up quite a bit of the living space. This might change, and we still need to work out where I'm going to have my desk, because I work from home a lot. And then probably the kitchen needs a little bit of resorting as well, because I just feel like there's stuff everywhere. But today the main focus will be the bedroom. Hopefully the mattress will arrive today, so we don't need to spend another night on the floor. The colour looks so good. So I think we're missing a lot of pieces. We only seem to have the headboard, the two sides, and then basically what feels like a frame, but we're missing like the slats and the bottom of the bed. So I don't think we can make the bed today, which is annoying.
We were already about to give up, and yeah, just don't do it.
So as we're setting up the bed, we've heard the doorbell go, and we've got our dining table arriving. The table's from Debenhams, and I'm very intrigued as to how it's going to look. It's a round table and it looks quite modern, so fingers crossed it's easy to assemble and that it looks okay.
So the next thing we're gonna be setting up is the table.
day 2 in the new apartment, and we did get through a lot yesterday by building the bed and building the dining table, but we still haven't got the mattress, so we still had to sleep on the sofa and on the floor last night, so hopefully the mattress arrives today. But basically what I'm going to be focusing on today, because Danny's gone off to work, I will focus on the living room space because it's still just got a lot of stuff everywhere. We haven't really figured out where I'm going to put my desk so I can work. So yeah, I'm just having a bit of a tidy, and then I'm going to try and sort out the living room area. I've also got an IKEA parcel to pick up from the reception, which was delivered late last night, so I'll be building a lot of that stuff today as well. I sold something on Vinted yesterday. So the mattresses have finally arrived. As I said before, it's from Emma Mattresses. I think it's actually a German company, but basically I need to open this up and then I think leave it for like hours and hours so that it can then inflate almost, because it's been compressed for so long, probably in a warehouse. So you need to wait for it to kind of fully come into its own. So let's see. Inflating itself. Jesus. Looks so weird right now. Oh. There we go. Probably that's meant to be done with 2 people, but I think it looks great. It feels really good quality, it feels very like premium. The side and the handles was actually quite easy to maneuver. It's probably the most expensive mattress that I've ever bought. I think it was around 515. There was a sale on. Realistically, there's nothing worse than not having a good night's sleep. So use the link to purchase yours, and as I said, we'll receive a small commission, which is very exciting. Anyway, I've got a few IKEA boxes that I need to pick up from reception now, so I'll go grab those now. This is the last of it from IKEA, but it's just got the final bits that we want for the flat. I think a bracket to put on the standing desk, because now we only have one but we have 2 screens, and I just feel like the base of the screens takes up a lot of the desk space. Nice to have something on the wall so we can tell the time. Another storage box to put underneath the television. And then this, I wasn't expecting it to be this big, because it also was only like 12-13 pounds, and I kind of wanted it as a desk organizer, but now I'm thinking this is actually way too big. So that is about it for the stylings for our apartment. We're essentially finished with a look that we're really, really happy with. Hopefully we can keep it looking really nice and tidy going forwards, because it is still a small space, like 50 square meters. So you really have to be careful with filling it with so much furniture. So before we end the vlog, I wanted to do a full apartment walkthrough tour, so I can talk about some of the small features that we added that you didn't see in this vlog. As you enter the apartment, you have the bedroom on the right. It's actually quite a big space, and we put the bed at this end of the room so we can make the most of it. Feels really cozy in there now, with a few orange hints of colour. Then as you come into the corridor, entering the main lounge, we've got a couple of carpets and some prints hanging up. The kitchen opens up into this L shape, and I loved using this shelf to display all our cups. There is generally quite a lot of counter space too. We're cooking chicken and pumpkin tonight. It smells so good, and I love the way that you can sit on the sofa and turn around and check how dinner's coming along. Then for the dining area, we were unsure about how big this table was, but it actually fits in really nicely, and you get a fantastic view of the Shard when you're sat there. And then into this little work area, not skipping this stunning table from IKEA. I do think this is probably the best space for the desk without ruining the chilled vibes of the lounge. And then we still have this closed off area where we can sit and watch TV, and I loved putting together all the bits of colour on this TV shelf. And that is it for the vlog. I hope you liked it, and leave us a comment down below of what you thought. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on socials, and I'll see you next time for what's happening next? More thoughts about living in London. Ciao!